How to find the best pocket option discount promo code. Now I'm currently using my desktop right here. Now if you are also using the same thing, now all you have to do is just to pull up any preferred browser you want and then just head directly to pocket option before you purchase or you trade a specific things. Now from here, just create a new tab and then just go directly to wethrift.com. Now, this specific website is giving us a tons of discounts and promo codes for specific platforms or any other websites that you can purchase from. So since we're looking at a bucket option, then all you have to do is just scroll down a bit till you find this option right here, or you can also search it in here. So let's say bucket option. Now, once you click on enter, you will be seeing multiple results for or options that you can use with bucket options discount promo codes. But for you to be able to have a vision of the specific code, all you have to do is just to click on that, and there you go. Now, all you have to do is you can either add this to your Chrome, it will automatically be added to one of your extensions right here for you to be able to visualize the specific code. Just copy it and then just paste it here from the pocket option. So that's it. That's where you can find the best pocket option discount promo codes.